Hi dear traders, today is Friday, April 22nd, and I'm glad to see you online with a fresh market review prepared for InstaForex. What's in the news today? Interestingly, the Bank of Russia is going to evade Western sanctions on its gold reserves, as other countries have already gained such experience. The crucial event of the week is the presidential election in France that will take place on Sunday. By the way, making forecasts for the euro-dollar pair, I referred to the previous elections in 2017, when Emmanuel Macron was elected president. Following his victory, the euro opened with a wide gap and didn't cover it. Since then, the euro was growing for almost a year. Let me warn you, please be cautious, as history can repeat itself. Now let's go. Let's discuss the euro-dollar pair on the chart. What happened yesterday? The pair created a powerful pin bar which engulfed a few days but left a level here. This untouched level is a good target for the future. If Macron wins the election, it will trigger the same scenario as in 2017. So we will see a rally of the euro. However, if Marine Le Pen is elected, the euro will slip into a free fall. Today this pin bar is being worked out. The price went down, and I remind you about a level at 1 year lows. Perhaps the pair will try to approach this level today. If it happens today, the euro prints a lower low and then Macron wins. The euro will zoom up to the 100% Fibonacci level or much higher. Let's apply the Fibonacci grid to the move from the 1 year low to yesterday's high. We see that currently the price is lower than 50% level. For the time being, a lot of assets are going down. The euro, the pound, sterling, gold, the US dollar is the only one asset to extend strength. Notably, Le Pen lost their live TV debate, thus Macron has a higher chance to win. Anyway, there is a good level downwards. From here we could plan long positions. So gold is trading lower. Well, it's really weird. Yesterday Americans were buying gold on the news. Christine Lagarde and Jerome Powell made comments yesterday and I saw active buying, so there were predictions for further growth. I cannot grasp the point why gold is getting weaker today. There is a retracement pin bar and the price should go up, in my opinion. Something is going on that the US dollar is extending its rapid rally. We can see its strength in various trading instruments. Silver. Let's speak about silver. Silver is also losing ground. The metal is closing the week with powerful engulfing. Perhaps it will destroy buying impulse and we should search for signals lower. The pound sterling took a nosedive and it pierced the low of the year on the daily chart. Today is one of the most volatile days this year for the sterling. It has slumped 200 pips. It is dropping like a rock and I cannot figure out where its bottom is. The instrument is printing lower lows every few minutes. The dollar-yen pair suffered a bit at its highs. Now it is climbing. Once Japan releases any news, I expect the pair to settle at least at the mirror level of 2015. To finish my review, I remind you once again that the highlight of the week is presidential election in France. Please be prudent and cautious about this situation. Let me tell you about my experience from the previous elections. Back in 2017, and I was at a break-even on the euro-dollar pair. The gap topped my break-even, so I ended up with big losses. Be careful extending your positions overnight this Monday. If you leave the pair at a break-even point and the market opens with a gap against you, you won't be able to close your positions at break-even. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you next week and bye-bye.